In 1953, the Korean peninsula lay in ruins. Following a devastating 3-year conflict, the landscape was defined by rubble, poverty, and a shattered spirit. Millions of refugees lived in makeshift shelters. At that time, South Korea was one of the poorest nations on Earth, with no clear path forward. But look at it now. This is Seoul today, a dazzling metropolis of light, speed, and innovation. How did this impossible transformation happen in one lifetime? The journey began in the 1960s. With few natural resources, the nation realized its greatest asset was its people and their relentless will to work. The construction of the Jeongbu Expressway became a symbol of this drive, literally paving the way for a new industrial era across the country. Massive steel plants and shipyards began to rise along the coasts. South Korea was transforming from an agricultural society into a heavy industry powerhouse. Education was the engine of this growth. In thousands of homes, students studied late into the night, knowing knowledge was the key to prosperity. By the 1990s, the focus shifted from steel to silicon. South Korea bet its future on high-tech laboratories and the coming digital revolution. Companies like Samsung and LG grew into global giants, leading the world in electronics and making made in Korea a mark of premium quality. Infrastructure followed suit. South Korea built the world's most advanced high-speed internet network, connecting every home to the global digital landscape. Then came a new kind of export. Culture. The Hallyu wave began to crash on international shores, bringing K-pop and K-dramas to the world. From the global success of K-pop groups to the historic Oscar wins of Korean cinema, the nation's soft power has become truly undeniable. Today, South Korea stands as a global leader in innovation. It is a place where ancient traditions peacefully coexist with the technology of tomorrow. The miracle on the Han River is more than an economic story. It is a testament to resilience, showing that any nation can rise from ashes. As South Korea looks toward the future, its journey continues to inspire the world, proving that with unity and vision, the impossible is achievable.